Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and today we got some news mixed with some data. So the first article that we're taking a look at is Bitcoin price drops affects mining profitability. So basically, yeah, I'll read this a little bit. Bitcoin miners who provided computational power to the Bitcoin blockchain network in exchange for newly mined Bitcoin rewards faced increased operational cost due to the price drop. So basically, we got this F2 pool, which is a gigantic mining pool. They posted this data spreadsheet. A little hard to see, probably impossible to see, but basically right here it says we got um this analysis reveals that all mining devices less than 32 watts per terahash is operating at a loss now, and says only 4 Antminer models and 1 Avalon model remains profitable, uh, considering that if Bitcoin stays above 53K. So there's literally only 5 miners in the entire world that are profitable right now. Um, that's kind of insane. But then we also got how the Bitcoin price may be near a bottom, considering that the most of the miners are unprofitable. And then I got some data right here. The average mining cost of Bitcoin. We can see it's 71K, and for 57K Bitcoin. So basically, miners are just taking profits right now because um, miners were taking profits before it was more expensive to mine. But we can see compared to this that it's unprofitable to mine on average for Bitcoin. So this could indicate that the bottom is in, well, not in right now, but like, near like 50K, maybe even 40K, right? For a little bit. So miners are less likely to sell because they were selling at, 70K, 60K. And those are only the miners that were unprofitable though. So on average though, most people are selling, or they might not be selling because they are unprofitable and basically losing money. So they want to hold it for higher prices. So moving on to the next article, we got CryptoQuant CEO announces at which level Bitcoin decline will stop. Um, Basically says Bitcoin fell down 7.5% in one day, and its price dropped below 54K. That was a couple days ago, but um, says Mt. Gox might be to blame, but like not really. We're already in a downtrend, and the price target was 47K. That might be the bottom, and I'm not gonna read this whole thing, but let's just move on to the next one. We got Michael Saylor, the biggest Bitcoin bull in existence. Bro is literally like 65 years old, and he's the biggest bull, still making money, still doing all this business stuff. Like, dude is just a goat. Like, I don't know any 65-year-old that's grinding as hard as Michael Saylor and as bullish as Michael Saylor. So he predicts Bitcoin's ascent to $10 million. Um, yeah, $10 million per coin. Insane, but it's possible. Not really anytime soon. That's just way too moon boy like. Yeah, I guess he said during a podcast, and he views Bitcoin as perfect money, which it is, due to its decentralized nature and finite supply. Uh, yeah, yeah, Bitcoin is definitely perfect money, the best money we've ever had, and obviously it will be above 10K or 10 million in the future. Probably like, 10 years from now, 20 years from now. And then we got another Omega Bull. 1 million per coin is reasonable, not impossible. I definitely agree with this, but definitely not even this cycle. That would be insane. Says Strike CEO Jack Mahler. So yeah, he just predicts that $1 million. I don't know when, but yeah, I'm not gonna read this because this is the headline. Like, come on. And then we got Michael Saylor's company, MicroStrategy, acquiring 11.9, basically 12K more Bitcoin, for $786 million. The company holds 226,331 Bitcoin. $15 billion worth of Bitcoin. Like, that is, I'm pretty sure, over 1% of the supply. I'm pretty sure, right? And yeah, that is just insane. They're still buying, they're buying the dip. And yeah, like the bull market is nowhere near over, even though we will have a, couple month downtrend, right? So it's just to be expected. And yeah, they started buying since 2020 even. So imagine if they were buying in 2017, they would have easily 500,000, if not more than that. So just under 5 years, they have, like barely even 4 years, they have 1% of the supply. Just one company. And, they're not even the highest, they don't have the most money. Like, they're not that company with the most money. So it's just insane that they have that. And then on Michael Saylor's Twitter, actually, we have this spreadsheet about a whole bunch of other, I think, asset classes. Maybe they're ETFs or something, like, I don't know. But, we got gold, Bitcoin, cash, all these other assets, and we got the annualized yearly return. Bitcoin just dominates everything, 145% on average per year. And the cumulative is just like, look at this. What is this? One comma there. 18 million percent. 18 million percent since 2011. Like, yeah, that is just broken. Like, nothing even pales. Everything pales in comparison to Bitcoin. Not just on the annualized percent, obviously in the entirety of its existence. So, yeah, that is just insane. And yeah, that's all the news I got. Well, all the interesting news I found. A lot of boring news and non-relevant news, but got the Bitcoin stock to flow model here. Still in a bull market, even though we're having a slight downtrend, and it might last for a couple more months, but we're still on track, still in the high red territory for bull market. And yeah, I guess I'll just pull up the chart. We got slight downtrend that we topped out, and for the past couple months, 4 months actually, we've been topped out. So nothing to be surprised about if you just watch the charts and look at simple price action. It was clear from the past 3 months even that we topped out and we're gonna have a downtrend. Happened. I believe we're kind of like right here in the cycle, where we topped out. Even though we went past it, we topped out right here and had a downtrend. We're topping out right here, going to have a downtrend. And then, yeah, pretty simple stuff. But we got the fear and greed index right here. We're in fear right now, even though last month we were in extreme greed. So the price going down like what, 10%? Like barely 10%. Okay, 20% almost. We go from extreme greed to fear. And I would predict in the next month or two, we're going to be in extreme fear. So, yeah, the market sentiment isn't looking good, but this actually is technically bullish because you buy when the blood is in the streets, as they say, and when people are or be greedy when people are fearful. That's the saying, right? And we got the liquidation heat map here, and we can see a lot more short leverage than long leverage. A lot more people are short. Go to the futures, and we got, if it'll load, 1.7 billion compared to 800, 900 million in longs. So definitely a lot more people predicting it going down. And this could be a sign that the market wants to go up and grab it at almost 60K, 59K. Market could grab it, wreck all these shorts, and then continue the downtrend. Or a lot of the money could be right, and we go down to 53K again, even lower. So yeah, that's all I got for you today. That's all I got for you guys today. And make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Only if you liked the video, though. Do not do any of that if you don't like the video. And yeah, peace out. See you guys in the next one.